Hello friends, I'm Daksh from Team Pythony. So today we are going to uncover the secrets, some basics of tkinter. Okay, let's get started. Why are we waiting then? Okay. So first of all, you just have to import tkinter. That is from tkinter import star. Star means universal that import everything that's inside tkinter module. But if you are using that, you know, tk that sorry Python module, I think so 2 years. Python module 2, then you have to write here T capital. Okay. If you are using our Python 3 only, then you don't have to worry about capital. You just have to write T small, then that's okay. Now we are going to make an variable. This I have written Yathar simply because I remember his name. He joined our workshop. So if you want a name, if you want your name to be inside this program or inside my app, just comment down below because it improves your focus skill. Now I have written TK. TK means that it's the basic, like we have function basic TK. You have to start with TK whenever you write an app. That's that's compulsory. You don't have any choice. Okay, but if I just cut this and let me introduce you to this main loop. Okay, this main loop means that this main loop will give us a small window after writing this TK and importing. So these three lines will just give us a window. So this Python started as a window like this in C++. Okay. Now, but we are using Python now. Okay. So sorry for the background noises. It's from side geometry. Geometry is something like whenever we open our app, there has to be a certain limit. Whenever we open our app, there has to be a certain limit or that it opens. It does not open like your Python never opens congested and making your like this. It never opens, na. It never opens like this. So what we have to put it is geometry that there has to be a certain level where it opens, but you can always contract it or expand it. Okay, but there has to be a certain limit. For that, you have to put double quotes and 200x. We are using x because geometry takes argument in x, and that is width x height. So that's why we used double quote, simply because it will not take it as argument, then it will take it as, you know, something like error variable of x I'm talking. Now, if we have written this 200 into 500 inside our double quotes, this is an argument now, and now we will run it, and there is a certain amount of a window that has opened, but I still can just contract it to minimum, contract it to the most minimum, and make it maximum till my computer screen. So how can I avoid this? Simply why, first of all, before that, why do we have to avoid it? We have to avoid it because there is some GUI you have made that your whatever your app is, let's say it's calculator, it should only have this much of app, sorry, this much of this much of width and this much of height only, because you have made the GUI completely completely proportional to this, completely proportional to the width and height of this whole window. Now what we have to do for that is again write yatharth root. It's yatharth root dot maximum size for कि भाई इससे ज्यादा आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकता. That's what we call it in Hindi. That's what I can explain you till here. Now 200 comma, let's make it a little bigger. 400 comma 500. Here you see we haven't used double quotes, and we have used this comma. So that's how we write the arguments inside max size and minimum size. I will explain you minimum size, and before that I'll write here a comment with comma height. Sorry for any error inside. grammatical error or name error, you can say paste and cross. This is just to inform you that how we write here. It is not going to run simply because I made it and comment. Now we know that it will not, that maximum size is this. Above this it cannot go. This is the maximum size. Above this it cannot go. This window will not move above this. Okay, above this it will not go, but still we are able to contract it to minimum maximum like that. Okay, for for example, you can see this is um, you can see, still you can see that we are able to just contract it, but we are not able to expand it because we have set a limit on expanding but not on contracting, because contracting is all about minimum size, that this much size is the minimum where our GUI or Windows should not contract. Now we are just going to copy this and copy paste, and I'll just write here min, so min size, remove this size, done. Done. Now we will before that we shall change it. No, it will not go. You will not be able to see the changes. Then minimum size will be 300. Done. Now our maximum size is this much, but how much is it minimum size? You can see I cannot contract anymore this window. You can see I can expand it, but till the maximum width I have taken, but I cannot contract it more. There, so these are just locks that you have put it a lock. You have just thrown. You just have its key. Whenever you want to remove this, you can remove this by just backspace. So these are just locks. You cannot move ahead of them. Now let's see how much time I have taken. Because there I have taken your lots of time. We I just ended after one last widget that we are going to see, that is label, LA1. So what is label? Label is that we are not interacting with. For example, this regular expression, we are not interacting. No, we are interacting with it. Let me give you an example. Here, okay, let me show you itself. Okay, I don't have any example for now. Let's show it. Okay, so label and text. You have to write text here, that this is, you have to specify that this is the text. Now I will write hello, maybe Kashish. Kashish. Okay. Pardon me for the mistakes in word. Okay, in the names. Now I will run it, and we got a shock that we don't have this hello word. Now I have an hello Kashish, sorry. Now I have an example for you. For example, you have a clothes, you have washing machine. You haven't put that clothes inside washing machine. Then how is this washing machine going to wash the clothes? That same happens inside this tkinter. You have this label, you have this tkinter, but you haven't put this label inside tkinter. How it's going to show up in you? So we have to just what we have to do is just pack. We just have to do it pack. Done. All done. Everything done. Now, hello Kashish is shown here, and I congratulate you for your first app. It's a very simple, but be happy for every little move you make, because it's our first step towards the complex apps like Google. You can make your own Google. Just think of it. You are making your Google, and someone is coming to invest in the app just at this age. So I'll meet you next time, and with more like how to import images and how to write buttons maybe. Okay.